When you first go on trading, don't tell anybody. Don't tell your family, don't tell your brother, do not tell anybody.
Yes.
There is no single person in this world that understands trading like a trader. Only trader can tell you how this shit is easy or is hard, the point of discipline, the point of psychology, the point of anything you want to know. All people around you who have not in this industry of trading, they're gonna tell you a negative point of view. They can tell you it's gambling, it's wasting of time, this is bullshit, it's waste of money. Only trader understands the discipline of this game, understands the psychology of this game, understand how hard, how complicit of this stuff is. Do not tell anybody that you are trading. Just stick to the trader around you.